While I've got that glue out, I've just remembered I've got this one. It has a little heart-shaped face, which has been damaged. So I'll see if I can glue that together as well. Again, you don't need to watch me do that. I'll be putting glue and stick it together like a jigsaw. I will just say this plastic is completely degraded, just touching it, and another bit's fallen apart. So that's going to be quite fun trying to get that together. Probably a lost cause. I say, because the plastic itself is just falling apart, so I'm touching it. Yeah, I think it is a lost cause. Every time I touch it, it falls apart a bit more. It's crumbling. So whatever plastic that was, it wasn't the right sort of plastic for a solar flower, because it's degraded in the sunlight. Mind you, that's going to be probably 10 years old or something. But yeah, that piece that I showed you first of all has fallen into 4 pieces now, just by me holding it to put the glue on it. Yeah, I know, abandon that. Every time I touch it, another bit breaks off. That is just so fragile. I don't think there's any point in trying. I think what I'll do is I'll save that piece. The bottom of it's also broken. Oh, see that just... Oh no. Yeah, that's completely gone. That plastic has degraded in the sunlight. Oh well, what I was going to say was I'd save that bit and 3D print a suitable Grandad logo or something to stick over the top of it. Well, I'll have to print the stem as well. Well, I'd never realised quite how bad that had got. It was pink. So that's faded in the sunlight. Well, this might seem a bit of a cheat, but I just remembered there's another stem there. I don't know what's on the top of it, but yeah, we got a stem there that will replace that one. Yeah, see how white that is. All right. trying to put it on upside down. No wonder it didn't want to fit. So we need to make a new little face of some sort to go on there. Right, quick little bit of 3D printing. And that's our replacement heart for the solar rocker, the Flappy flower. Might be a bit heavy, but we'll try it anyway. I can always reprint it thinner. And I've printed that on the low resolution, so it's got quite a few lines on it. Anyway, that should do. There we go. Our replacement heart. So, success. I suspect that might be a little bit heavier than it should be, so that'll upset its rocking. But we'll find out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and leave me a comment so I know how I'm doing.